Jacqueline. Wagwan, guys. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. I'm coming at you today with a quick video for the first purchase I've made this year. So this would be the first personal purchase I've made for myself. I bought myself a new bag from Michael. Long story short, I placed an order with Michael Kors on Boxing Day. Now I don't have my order yet. I think it's coming on the 12th. I call them and they're like, you know, Boxing Day is really busy, but I'm feeling like 2 weeks is a bit excessive to wait for an order. But nonetheless, I was in the mall the other day doing a quick return and I walked into the store, and one of the bags that I purchased, I saw it in real. The one that I purchased online is a different color than the one that's in this bag, but I must say that I prefer this color more. When my order comes next week, I'll just go into the store and get a credit back because I really do love this color. I kind of opened it, but it looks like that inside. Comes with tissue paper. Here's my bag. When I first opened up the bag when I came home, I was a little disappointed because I thought to myself, it's Michael Kors, it's a contemporary brand. I kind of felt like they could have given a dust bag, but they put it in plastic. I'm not sure if they typically put their bags in plastic or in dust bags. Comment down below and let me know if you've ordered a Michael Kors bag or if you've purchased one from the store in the past, if they gave you a dust bag or it came in plastics. I'm gonna rip it open. Here we go. This style is called the Sierra. It's a top handle satchel and it also has a crossbody strap as well. They protected everything. They protected all of the hardware. So the zipper pull had paper, the handles. Very pretty. The color I purchased, it's called Moss. It's a green color. Flip it around. And it's got the really nice shiny gold hardware. The MK branding here, as well as here. This bag measures 15.5 inches in length, 9.5 inches in height. Depth of it is 5 inches. And I've got 4 gold feet at the bottom as well. The 2 top handle straps have a 5-inch drop, so it fits comfortably. There's also a longer strap inside. A longer strap you can wear shoulder or crossbody, and it's from 19 to 21 inches. For me, I'm 5'11", so I'm gonna have to put it on the longest strap drop to wear this bag crossbody. Smells really good. They really protected this thing. There ought to be no scratches on there. There. Here's the strap. It looks to be about a 1/2 inch thick. 8 holes to lengthen or shorten the shoulder strap. It's detachable as well to attach the strap. It's really pretty. I love it. There we go. Here's the inside of the bag. Retails for $398 Canadian, but I actually picked it up for under $200, which is amazing. The layout of the bag is a back, there's a zipper, 2 slip compartments, and also 2 slip compartments in the front. Here's the back of the bag. the sizable compartment there, and also inside would be your care booklet. In front, there's 2 slip pockets. I'm also liking the detail of the bag inside. It's got a beige polyester lining, but across the top, there's also the pebbled leather by the zipper, and there's the pebbled leather on top of the slip pockets at the back. The front also has 2 slip pockets as well. On the website, it stated that the Sierra bag is a practical, structured, everyday bag that can hold a laptop. Straight off the bat, I could tell that this is not gonna hold my laptop. My laptop is 17 inches, but I already knew it wouldn't just from reading the dimensions online. On the weekend, I was using this compact bag right here. I'm gonna see how much of my items can fit into this one, and also give an idea of some of the things that you can carry in the Sierra Satchel. Starting with my Ray Dunn planner, I'm gonna see if that fits inside. It does, and still a lot of room. My Clemence wallet. It can either go upright or I could lay it down flat. Because of the height of the bag, I am gonna put it upright. I'm filming on my phone, but I know that my phone can fit into one of the front or back slip pockets. Got my key clay. That I will put to the back in one of the slip pockets. Pack of gum can also go into a slip pocket at the back. Glasses, I'm just gonna tuck it in this slip pocket at the very front, right there. And there's still a lot of room, guys, but to be honest, daily I wouldn't carry this agenda. Trying a bottle of Sprite. That's too tall. But my water bottle is smaller than this bottle, so that can fit in there, no problem. This here is my catch-all makeup bag. I've got wipes in here, makeup, Kleenex, and things like that. And it all fits quite nicely. And zips up with ease. The zipper is a really good quality, very smooth. I'm gonna take out my Ray Dunn planner. Usually I wouldn't travel with this anyways. What I would travel with daily is a more personal size agenda. And that tucks in there at the back. And my iPad. I bring this everywhere just in case I need to edit. And that also goes in the back. So there we are. And there's still quite a lot of room in here. It didn't lose its structure. One thing I can't stand is sometimes when your purse sags at the bottom. This one's got a reinforced bottom, so there's no sagging. Can't really see. I'm really glad that I picked up the green color. I feel like it could be a neutral. Just gonna show you what it looks like on. So far, so good. I'm really loving this bag. I'm gonna be getting a lot of wear out of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch up to you guys in my next video. Peace.